Hello guys, in this video, I will compare Tab9, GitHub Copilot, and Cursor to determine which AI code assistant truly stands out in 2025. So number 1, editor integration. GitHub Copilot still leads in seamless integration across VS Code and JetBrains, while Cursor, however, is an entire AI-enhanced code editor built on top of VS Code, offering native tools like inline chat and memory. Lastly, Tab 9 works with many editors but it lacks the deep integration Cursor provides. Number 2, AI capabilities. Copilot remains the smartest when it comes to predictive coding, especially with large code bases. And Cursor, though newer, it leverages powerful LLMs and offers conversational debugging and multi-file understanding, giving it an edge in AI collaboration. While Tab 9 is capable, it is still less context-aware compared to the two of them. Number 3, real-time collaboration and workflow enhancements. Cursor introduces unique features like AI memory and chat-based debugging, which make coding feels like pair programming with a smart assistant. While Copilot is great for suggestions, but Cursor gives you a more interactive workflow, and Tab 9 is better suited for single-line suggestions. Number 4, speed and stability. Cursor and Copilot are both very responsive, but Cursor edges ahead with customizability and contextual accuracy, while Tab 9's local model option can be a plus for speed and offline access, though with trade-offs in suggestion quality. Number 5, pricing. Tab 9 has a generous free tier, while Copilot is subscription-based, and Cursor currently offers free access while in beta, making it an attractive option to try. So for final verdict, if you want advanced collaboration tools, you can use Cursor. For code suggestions, quality, and reliability, GitHub Copilot is for you. And for offline or privacy-first coding, Tab9 is your choice. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.